Thank you for choosing a Fieldmaster Post Driver, designed to give you years of service and features to make your fencing program easier and more time efficient. We recommend spending sufficient time to familiarize yourself and other users with the setup, operation, and maintenance instructions to ensure your safety and the efficient long-term use of this machine. This video is designed to assist you and make it easier to understand how to set up the machine and make adjustments to the control valves as may be required. New machines come from the factory assembled to the stage where principally the control bank, leg stand, and extra options such as a side shift base need to be fitted to the machine. Fieldmaster Post Drivers require a minimum flow of 18 litres per minute at 1800 psi to operate satisfactorily, or a maximum of 50 litres per minute at 3000 psi. Tractors need a single quick-release remote hydraulic coupling for the inlet hydraulic line and an unrestricted dump hose to the hydraulic return tank, that is, not a quick-release coupling. Fieldmaster provide a wide spectrum of cap sizes and fittings for return oil to fit most tractor brands. Part number 999-005.01. The Fieldmaster Post Driver is supplied with a low-pressure 3/4 inch return line and must have no restrictions back to the tractor. The fitting supplied on the return hose is a push ribs type. If the hose needs to be shortened, cut the hose and reinsert the fitting. No Jubilee clip is required on this fitting. Know your tractor hydraulic system. Most tractors are open circuit system, and unless advised to the factory, this is how the hydraulic system is supplied. However, if your tractor is a closed circuit hydraulic system, or sometimes known as an on-demand hydraulic system, a modification called a closed circuit plug needs to be fitted underneath a hex-head blanking plate on the side of the main control bank. If specified, this can be done at the factory, or part number 116025.02 can be supplied, and it is simple to fit. Fit the control bank to the mast. When lifting the mast to vertical, be careful to allow the weight to slide gently to the base, checking the wire rope is free of any obstruction. Position the machine on level ground for stability. Fit the storage leg. Machines with a side angle ram have a transport locking bar over the ram to allow safe erection prior to getting oil to the hydraulics. Make sure this is in place, or temporarily attach the hydraulic system on your tractor to fill the ram with oil, then disconnect. Attach the post driver to the 3-point linkage of the tractor. Ensure linkage pins and quick-attach cam locks are secure. Adjust sway chains on the plug arms to centralize and prevent movement. The hydraulic top link will need hydraulics functioning to fit. Important: fit inlet hydraulics quick release to tractor's remote hydraulics. Return oil flow dump hose must have unrestricted flow to the hydraulic filler plug. Remove safety bar after the side angle ram is fitted. Do so with caution. All hydraulic ram functions should be activated individually with care several times to exit any air in the hydraulic system. Next test, drop the hammer about 1 meter. The hammer should cushion stop with the port relief valve adjusted correctly. If hammer stops with a bounce, the port relief valve should be screwed out anti-clockwise. If the hammer creeps, the port relief valve should be screwed in clockwise. Please note that premature wire rope failure resulting in serious injury could occur if the relief valve is not set correctly. Position your tractor to line up with the desired postmark spot and lower the 3-point linkage to place the base stabilizer legs firmly on the ground. The tractor should have gear selector in neutral and handbrake firmly on. Using the top link ram and side tilt ram, adjust the mast to position level bubble in the center of the sight glass so the mast is plumb. For hard ground or pan, it's advised that a rock spike is the best solution. This hydraulic option is available for Fencer and Forte models. The rock spike system has a cradle for holding the rock spike, which locks clear of the hammer path for transport, and a safety chain lock at the base of the rock spike. Note the rock spike is high tensile and comes in optional sizes of 90 to 120 mil. Prior to using the rock spike, all preliminary positioning and level checking must be carried out. Lift the hammer to clear the rock spike cap. Release the mast catch of the rock spike pivot. Pull the handle to turntable the rock spike underneath the weight until the stop touches the mast. Release the chain catch at the rock spike base. Position the post cap center with the rock spike nylon cap. Release the post cap chain. Activate the rock spike ram to extend ram so the cradle reaches ground level. Hammer the spike into the pilot hole track for the post. Activate the rock spike ram to retract the pin, and when clear of the ground, return the cradle to the original transport position and lock, securing on the mast spring load catch. Now use the usual procedure for positioning the post above the pilot hole to ensure a timely and accurate post driving experience. Connect the chain from the post cap to the hammer lifting lug and raise slowly to post height. Position the post under the post cap and lower the hammer to engage the spike of the post cap in the center of the post. Remove the connecting chain between the post cap and lug on the hammer. To ensure safety and maintaining correct post position, it is recommended to use small blows to start post penetration, gradually increasing hammer height as the post centers correctly. Fieldmaster's commitment to quality and backup service will ensure your post driver will give many years of reliable operation.